Stop wasting time manually organizing your data and start using Google Sheets like a pro. In the next 60 seconds, you'll go from a blank screen to a fully functional shared spreadsheet. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and type sheets.new into the address bar. This is the fastest way to skip the menus and jump straight into a fresh workspace. Immediately go to the top left corner where it says Untitled Spreadsheet. Click it and type in your project name. If you don't name it now, your Google Drive will be a mess later. Now look at the grid. Columns are letters, rows are numbers. To enter data, click any cell and start typing. Use the Tab key to move across a row or the Enter key to drop down to the next line. If your text looks cramped, hover your mouse over the line between two column letters at the very top. When the cursor changes to a double arrow, click and drag to resize it, or double-click to auto-fit your text. To make your headers pop, highlight your top row and hit the bold icon or the paint bucket to add a background color. The best part about Google Sheets is that you never have to hit save. Every single change you make is saved to the cloud instantly. Finally, look for the big Share button in the top right corner. Click it, type in an email address, and decide if that person can just view the file or help you edit it. That's it. You're set up and ready to go.